Alright y'all, so today we're making a strawberry cake. For this, we have some cake flour. You can use regular flour if you'd like. I got some granulated sugar, some vanilla extract, some salt, some baking powder, strawberries, eggs, oil, and pudding. You can use homemade, you can use right out of the box, you can use whatever you want. So we got some pudding, and we're gonna have some powdered sugar. But before we get to cooking, we are on the way to 500 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new video every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to cooking. Alright, so we're going to start the strawberries, and you don't have to have a food processor for this. You can dice up the strawberries too. But we're going to take about a pound of strawberries. Like I said, if you want to just dice them up too, you can. I'm just in a lazy mood today. And we're just going to get a rough chop on these. And just like quick 3 spins is all I gave it on pulse. Not much. We're going to set this to the side. It's just so you get little bites of strawberry inside the cake. Let's move on to actually making the cake. Alright, so in our mixing bowl, we're going to start with our 2 eggs. And 1 cup of our granulated sugar. And now we're just going to give these a good mixing for about 3-4 minutes on high. So now we're going to take a 1/2 cup of our vegetable oil, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of our baking powder, a teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to take a cup of our pudding, now we're just going to go ahead and give this a good mix everything together. And now 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of flour, we're going to do a cup at a time. Now if you really wanted to be accurate with it, go ahead and scoop the measuring cup down in there, take a knife, level it off. Or you can even weigh it out. It'd be 260 grams of flour. And now that pound of strawberries we diced up earlier, we're just going to go ahead and dump them in. We're just going to mix these in by hand and finish incorporating any flour that got stuck to the side. Now if you really want, don't overmix it. And it'll keep some of that cake batter yellow. Now you can use a cake pan, but I'm using my cast iron because I love cast iron. We've gone ahead and lightly greased it. Same thing if you're using a cake pan. Just go ahead and level it out. If you got some spots where you want and because we didn't overmix it, we still got a lot of that cake color, that yellow cake color. A good mix of that red. It's going to look really nice. Let's go ahead and clean that up. Now we got our oven preheated to 375. We're going to go ahead and throw this in there for 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so it's been out of the oven. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of a little bit of powdered sugar. Try to take only a little bit of powdered sugar here. And I got it in a mesh strainer. And I'm just going to tap very lightly and dust the cake in powdered sugar. Alright y'all, and there you have it. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. If you want to see anything cooked on the channel in the future, leave a comment below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch it. Till next time, keep on cooking on.